You seen this, my screen?
Still waiting. Not yet.
Okay.
Okay, I can see now.
Okay. So this is the interface. Like first,
Okay,
my cursor is here, like a new project,
okay,
open project, and
okay,
open from project wise, configuration, backup manager. This is the palettes of projects,
okay,
and this is the configuration of license.
okay,
Firstly, you click on new project,
okay,
then you will see in this window like a space.
okay.
In this system, like a space, you seen this?
Yeah, space. Yeah,
Okay. In this system, we can work all three axes
okay,
like x and y and z.
okay,
Okay, this is the file name. Here I type file name like stat. Okay,
oh yeah,
this
okay.
is the location point for file saving.
Yeah, desktop.
Okay, click on this button for give the
Okay,
path where you save the
okay,
file.
okay,
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 firstly you save file, then before file saving you have created a folder because this software many backup file generate.
okay.
If you save the file on desktop, then your desktop full only one project.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so please
Yeah,
create a folder and save the file in this folder.
okay,
Okay, then
yeah,
you set the units like length unit is meter and force unit is kilonewton.
okay,
Okay, click on
yeah,
next. After that, add beam because we are creating a project or structure. In structure, beams and columns and slabs.
okay,
So I will choose the add beam option and click on finish. After that, you will see in real interface. You look, this is a grid.
okay.
Uh, you can change the setting of grid.
Okay. How do you do that?
Okay, click on edit,
Click on.
edit. It will
Okay.
edit and set the
Okay.
plane
Okay.
and go to spacing option. This is
Spacing.
spacing
Okay.
and
Yeah, I can see it.
okay, and change the numbers of x-axis like 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, 15.
Oh, I see.
Okay, then click
Okay. Yeah.
y-axis and same.
Okay.
If you want change the spacing like 1 meter and to convert into
Yeah.
zero point 0.5 meter, then
Okay.
press 0.5
Okay.
and zero point 0.5.
Okay.
Your grid is changed in meters, half an meters. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the palette for plane changing. Like you work in right now XY plane.
Yeah.
After that you work will XZ plane. Then choose the XZ plane, and you see in the
Okay.
your plane is changed. And
Yeah.
okay, it's go to theory part and when practical. You change the plane.
Yeah. I can deploy now. XY
Okay,
and XZ.
okay. This is the angle of plane.
Yeah.
You change plane angle according to
No.
you.
No.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and this
All
is
right.
the grid origin where you want the
Okay.
origin is set.
Yeah.
Okay,
Global axis. Yeah.
and okay. This is the grid setting and plane
All
setting.
right. All right.
Okay, all right. Again,
Yeah.
click on file menu
Okay.
and change the unit like job information. Click on give the detail of job, client,
Okay.
job number,
All right.
review,
Okay.
part and
Okay.
reference.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
and press OK button.
Hmm.
After that, you open other project, then click on open and select the other project and open. Click on open. Okay,
All right.
same options you are using in other software. Hello.
Okay. I can hear you. Same option with software.
Okay, okay. Same options you are using other software.
Okay.
Okay. Then if you want exit the software, then click on exit.
Save.
If you want exit in the software, then click on
Okay.
exit.
All right.
Okay. This is the title bar
Okay.
and this is the menu bar.
All right.
This is the tool menus, yeah, tool palettes.
Okay.
This is the models like modeling, post processing, steel, concrete design.
Right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. And this is the model generation.
Okay.
Okay. O- Okay. Okay. And this tool for views.
Okay.
You look like front view. Okay. Then back view.
Yeah.
Yeah, left and right, top, bottom, and isometric. You know isometric?
Yeah.
What is
3D.
isometric?
That's three-dimensional.
Yeah. Three dimensions in 2D plane, like AutoCAD. You work on AutoCAD?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So in the AutoCAD, you create the model in isometric.
Yes. Possible.
Okay. This is the rotation of plane. Like rotate up, you rotate in up direction, rotate down,
Okay.
downwards, and you rotate left. So use these options for rotating.
Okay.
And this is the rendering button. If you want seeing the final output of a project, then click on render view and you seen the
Hmm.
project output file.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
firstly I create a model, plane model in front view. Firstly change the direction for plane, click on again edit and select the plane XY and set the units and grid spacings, same parameter. Okay,
Okay. 10.
click on yeah, speak. Hello,
I can hear you. I should click on what now?
click on snap node beam.
Okay.
You watch this, my cursor is blink
All right.
as you are watching how I am working. Like
Snap
click,
node beam.
yeah,
Yes.
like click in origin and give the length or height and
That's 4
meter.
meters.
Yeah, meter. And click again 4 meter and downwards. Okay. Press
Okay.
escape. This is the my front view plan.
Okay.
And click on isometric view. You look is a 2D plan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
If you want to convert a 3D plan, then you select the model and click on
Okay.
translation repeat button. Okay.
Okay.
It is a translation repeat window. Firstly, you seen this, then global direction X and global direction Y and global direction Z. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Where you want, like a copy. Okay. Click on
Okay.
direction axis button, like I want to copy in Z direction, number of steps, many number of copies, then press and spacing 1 by 1. Okay.
Okay.
Give the spacing like 4 meter I will give you. And link step, those plan, yeah, those pa- panels, columns and beams connect together
Okay.
by link steps. And open base, you want open base or close base, then you click open base. If you check open
Okay.
base, then your plan with close the base. If you don't
Okay.
check the open base option, then your plan will be open in bottom. Okay.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. Then I will check this option, and you seen this 3 numbers of copies it will generated. Okay.
Okay.
Then you want copy in another axis, then select the side portion of plan, like a uh, front view. In the front view,
Okay.
and select the right side of plan, then again click on transition repeat and give the axis I want in x-axis, then number of steps 2 3 4, and give the spacing like 3. Again link steps and open base. Click on OK. Firstly, my object is not selected, then first thing is select the object, go to transition repeat and click on x-axis and give the number of steps and give the spacings like 4 and 3, link steps, open waves, and OK. You seen this, my model is generated like in 3D.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
understand
Yeah. I
that?
can see it now. Yeah.
Okay, you
Using
understand now?
transition or repeat. Yeah. I understand.
Okay, okay. If you want in copy in y-axis, then select the top beams and again click on transition repeat option and select the y-axis. Give the number of
Okay.
steps and give the number of spacings. Link. Open base is not highlighted because open is not coming. Okay. If you
Okay.
and your structure is generated as multi-storage building.
Wow.
Oh, how are you feel this?
It's very effective. Very fast.
Very fast. Okay. Again, if you want give the property or supports, then I will tell you later. But still these things
Okay.
you watch, go to render view.
All right. Render.
This is the render view. You will press mouse left key and rotate the cursor, and your your project is rotated in every direction, every angle. Okay, use
Yeah.
the mouse left key and drag mouse like a ball.
Oh, I see.
Okay,
Yeah.
are you doing?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah.
Okay, okay, and close this window. So then
All right.
so I am doing and create the first project. This is the part of practical.
Okay.
So what do you think?
It's very good.
Okay. Then after again go to theory sessions like a supports. What is supports?
Support. Just
Ah,
footing, I think.
sorry.
Support. I think that's foundation, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Again.
You said you said support. I think that's the foundation.
Yeah. Supports and foundation is same.
Okay.
Yeah. How many type of supports? Do you know?
We have two, uh, three, three supports: fixed support and pin and roller.
Okay. Where used in fixed support?
Where there's moment.
Okay. Which type of structure?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Fixed supports always used for building.
Okay.
Okay. Fixed support
Okay.
always used for building because renovation building is not moving.
Oh.
Okay. So
Yeah.
always use fixed support for building.
All right.
Okay. So then
Yeah.
you will go general. This option. Click on general,
Okay.
and
Okay.
after front of general you click on supports. Okay.
Okay.
Then click on front view and select the all bottom nodes of a structure. Click on create and click on
Okay.
assign. You seen this?
Okay.
My support is here. So support is completed in a structure.
Yes. Yeah.
Now it's time for property. What is the property of beam and columns?
Okay.
What is the property of beam on columns?
Beam and columns. They have fixed end
Okay.
and they have forces and moments. I think.
Okay. Maximum limit of beams property.
I don't know.
Okay. Which type of beam shape?
Beam shape. We have rectangular beam. We have
Okay.
T beam. I think
Okay.
T shape and L shape. I think.
Can you use circular shape in beam?
Can I use what? Circular beam?
You sure?
No, no. I think circular should be for column only.
Okay. Good. Only used for columns. Okay.
Yeah.
Circular shape used for only columns, not a rectangle beams.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Because force is coming for beam. If your surface is circular, then force is not proper working on beams. So your
Oh,
structure is failed.
I see.
Okay. Because you
Yeah.
see this bridges columns in river. Every columns in circular shape because water force is not working on proper flow.
Okay.
So columns in a circular shape because water flow is not working on this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. So then it will go on property. Click on property
Okay.
and give the property like click on define button,
Okay.
click on rectangle,
Okay.
and you see this YD and ZD.
Yeah.
What is the YD of beam?
Maybe 400, maybe,
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah,
450
400
sometimes.
mm.
Okay.
Okay, point 4.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
what is the ZD?
That 0.23
Okay,
or 0.25.
okay, 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 okay. Do you know about ZD or YD?
Yeah, that's the depth. D and B.
Okay,
YD is D and
okay,
ZD
okay.
is D.
Yeah, good, good, very good. Uh, can you tell me ZD is greater than YD, yeah, or YD is greater than ZD?
YD is greater than ZD.
Okay, good, very good. Then click on add button,
Okay.
close. If you want,
Okay.
give the other property in columns. Then you will
Okay.
click on circle and give the YD like a dia of columns.
Okay.
How is it?
Maybe 300, maybe.
Okay, okay. 300 in units.
Uh, 0.3.
Okay, okay. 0.3. Good. Add and close. If property is there, but how to assign that? Firstly,
Okay.
you see in this, I have a select menu in the user interface.
Hmm.
Okay. I have many
Okay.
options for selections like beam cursor. In the Stat Pro, beam and column, select by beam cursor. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is the first method, but this is the long procedure and I want short process because my time is very useful.
Okay.
Then you will go on beams parallel to X, but I am provide the column property. Then you will select the which axis. Do you know?
Column property. I
Huh.
don't know what.
Which axis I am selected?
YY.
Y. Good. First, go to select menu and click beams parallel to option and select the y-axis. You know that and you watch this. My columns is selected.
Please, can you repeat that?
My column is selected. Okay, I see. First, go to select menu
Okay.
and click on beams parallel to,
Y axis.
yeah, y-axis.
Okay.
My every columns is selected.
Okay.
Again,
I get it now.
okay. This is the
Yeah.
perfect process for selection of columns.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and select the property and select the assign to selected beam option
Okay.
and one nut. and click on assign option. Okay,
Okay.
then
Yeah.
it will show a message. The assignment method you have chosen is assigned to selected beam. Do you want to proceed? Always click on yes.
All
Okay,
right.
then
Yeah.
you seen this R2 is assigned.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
and select second property for beams. Click on select menu and same process, beams parallel
Or
to
let's X. X.
X. Again select
What about and
and
okay?
Z. Both are selected. My all beams are
Yeah.
selected right now,
Yes.
and click on assign option.
As-
Yes, my beams and columns properties are completed.
mm.
You check it out, click on render view, then your process is, this is the structure. Completed or not?
Completed.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. You make the notes? You making the
The note.
notes?
Uh. Yeah. 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 I'm
Okay.
taking note. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And you use the software right now?
Yeah, I'm using it right now. Yeah.
Okay. And do this?
Yeah. Yeah. I've done it. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
The edges the edges of the beams is not
yeah.
connected.
Yeah. Because this is the property. And for this drawback of columns and beam connection, I will
Yeah.
tell you later. Session number 3. In session number 3,
Okay.
I will tell you.
Okay. Okay. No
Okay.
problem.
This is the short process of
Okay.
connection.
Okay.
So don't worry about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is the message. Again and again show it on your Windows.
Mm.
Autosave will save your file. Now do you want to proceed? Like uh, you work any other software, and some problems, any other regions, your system is off suddenly. Okay, then your file
Okay.
is gone.
Yeah.
You understand that?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
You understand? So you have to save.
Yeah. This problem is very genuine for students.
Yeah.
So StatPro is give a best feature for saving the file in time to time.
Oh, I see.
This is the backup file manager option. This is the reminder for you that you will save the file, otherwise no.
Okay.
Okay, then you save
Yeah.
the file. If you want save the file, then click on yes, otherwise no.
Okay. Save.
Okay, this
Yeah.
is very useful option.
Mm.
So structure is complete. Do you want to practice time?
No. Continue. I will practice after the class.
Okay. Continue.
Okay.
So dear, I can take 1 minute short break, and after that I will come you.
Okay. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.